Breaking news from East Africa. A deadly military confrontation has erupted between South Sudanese and Ugandan forces, leaving at least 4 soldiers dead near the disputed border area between the two countries. Hello everyone, I'm Nyani Deng. I'm very excited for joining our channel. Please, if you're a new member in our channel, please like, share, comment and subscribe for more updates. According to the Ugandan military, the clash began when South Sudanese troops allegedly crossed into Uganda, set up camp, and refused to withdraw. In retaliation for the death of a Ugandan soldier, 3 South Sudanese soldiers were killed, said Ugandan Army spokesperson Major General Felix Kulayajay. However, a South Sudanese official, Wani Jackson Mule, claimed the death toll was higher, reporting 5 soldiers killed and describing the incident as a surprise attack by Ugandan forces on land South Sudan considers its own. However, a South Sudanese official, Wani Jackson Mule, claimed the death toll was higher, reporting 5 soldiers killed and describing the incident as a surprise attack by Ugandan forces on land South Sudan considers its own. In response to the violence, top military leaders from both nations have agreed to an immediate ceasefire and a joint investigation to de-escalate rising tensions. Local army commander Henry Burry alleged that Ugandan forces were heavily armed, deploying tanks and artillery and attacking 19 South Sudanese joint operation troops. Clashes occurred in the West Nile region of northwestern Uganda, a zone with a long history of unresolved territorial disputes. A border demarcation committee, formed by both governments, is still working toward an official resolution, a process expected to conclude in 2027. These clashes come amid heightened tensions inside South Sudan. In March 2025, Uganda deployed special forces to Juba to support President Salva Kiir, following a political crackdown on Vice President Riek Machar. The move raised fears of renewed civil war and further complicated Uganda's involvement. Uganda has also faced serious accusations of using chemical weapons against newer militias aligned with Machar in South Sudan's northeast, charges which Kampala firmly denies. This marks a rare and alarming exchange of fire between former military allies, both of whom played significant roles in shaping post-independence South Sudan. With tensions rising and border demarcation unresolved, this confrontation raises serious concerns for regional peace and security. Stay informed. Subscribe now for updates you can trust.